If you're looking for a video to change language on Crunchyroll, then here is how you can do it. First of all, you can either launch your Crunchyroll application or get logged into your Crunchyroll account via a web browser. In my case, I am logged into my Crunchyroll account via Chrome application. Now, in order to change the language, the process is same for your app as well as your desktop version. So simply go ahead and tap onto your profile. As you do so, you will see settings, open it. And likewise, under preferences for this your name, you will see three type of languages. One is display, audio, and subtitles. If you would like to change language for your display overall, you may go ahead, tap onto display, select anything from here. If you would like to do it for audio, go ahead and tap onto English by default and select anywhere from here. And the process is the same for your subtitle as well. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.